All right, the second equation, fractional equation. All right. Now here you're going to notice fraction, right? There's three fractions here. It's a fractional equation. We're going to need to find our common denominator. This one just got a little uglier. So if you notice, there's a binomial here, here's a trinomial. You must factor any of those if they can be factored to find the common denominator. This trinomial can go to x plus 3, x minus 2. Oh, look at that. It's the same thing as those two. Okay. Then I'm going to go like this. I'm going to introduce the thundercloud, something I made up to help you to see. We need to find when the fractions are undefined. Each fraction is undefined. So if you look at this first fraction, what plus 3 gets 0? Negative 3. I'm going to put that in my thundercloud. What minus 2 is 0? 2. So 2 and negative 3 are my thundercloud. Now, my little saying with that is, you're hypothetically going to get struck by lightning if you put one of those two answers, negative 3 or 2, as your final answer. It cannot happen. It makes your fraction undefined. You cannot have those. So that's why it's something I made up that, adds some math, fun stuff to math. So, now let's find our common denominator, which is this. So I always write LCD, x plus 3, x minus 2. I'm going to multiply every fraction by that. X plus 3, x minus 2. X plus 3, x minus 2. X plus 3, x minus 2. First fraction, the x plus 3's cancel. So I have x times x minus 2. The second one, the x minus 2's cancel. Be careful with that subtraction. Right? You should go like that automatically. Anytime you see subtraction, do your state change switch so you don't miss it. So it's negative x times x plus 3. Equals here, both of those cancel, we just get 10. So again, what did I do? I multiplied all my fractions, every fractions. If there's 2 fractions, 3 fractions, 10 fractions, multiply them all by the common denominator. Now this, we just have to clean it up. We're going to distribute, so x squared minus 2x minus x squared minus 3x equals 10. Okay, this looks to be a false quadratic because you have an x squared and a negative x squared. They're going to cancel. So I'm going to get negative 5x by combining like terms equals 10. Divide by negative 5, so x equals negative 2. Was negative 2 in my thundercloud? No. Okay, it was not in my thundercloud, so it will work. Let's just quickly check it. Negative 2 over negative 2 plus 3 minus negative 2 over negative 2 minus 2 equals 10 over 4 minus 2 minus 6. So this first one's going to get us, what, negative 2 minus negative 2 over negative 4 is 1/2. Positive. All right. This is going to get us 10 over, what is that? It's negative 8 plus 4, so negative 4. Okay, now we just clean it up, do that, so we get negative 2.5, and 10/4 is the same thing. So I know that negative 2 is my answer. I can put that in my solution set. I can box it, and we are done.